Hey everyone! I'm here today to dive into a riveting piece of Zimbabwe's political landscape, a story that's as alarming as it is compelling. We're talking about Job Sikhala, a name that's become synonymous not only with resilience, but also with the intense struggle for democratic freedoms in Zimbabwe. Job Sikhala exposed Zim CIO agents who are using ghost accounts of him on Twitter. He said ZANU is desperate to persecute opposition leaders but use ghost accounts of them to trap them. That's the harsh reality for Job Sikhala, a former opposition MP and a vocal critic of the government. Arrested back in 2022, Sikhala was charged with inciting violence during a funeral wake of a slain activist. But here's the twist. Not only is he fighting these charges, but he's also contending with a more sinister form of warfare, ghost accounts on Twitter. Yes, you heard that right. According to Sikhala, Zimbabwe's government is allegedly using fake Twitter accounts masquerading as him to discredit and trap opposition leaders. This, he claims, is a desperate move by the ruling party to weaken the opposition's stand before crucial elections. It's a digital battleground where tweets can be just as impactful as street protests. Now let's talk about his health. It's deteriorating. Locked up in Chikurubi maximum security prison, Sikhala has been experiencing severe health issues, including distressing symptoms that he fears might be signs of colon cancer. Despite his pleas, access to adequate medical care has been denied. This isn't just a personal crisis for Sikhala. It's a glaring spotlight on the justice system's failures in Zimbabwe. Critics and international observers are outraged. They argue that Sikhala's repeated denial of bail isn't just about keeping one man in prison. It's about sending a clear, chilling message to all dissenting voices in the country. And let's not forget the wider implications here. This situation raises serious questions about freedom of speech, the right to a fair trial, and human rights in Zimbabwe. So, what's next for Job Sikhala? As the international community watches closely, the pressure on Zimbabwe's government mounts. Sikhala's case has become a litmus test for the nation's commitment to justice and democracy. In closing, this isn't just a story about one man's fight for freedom. It's a narrative about the power of resilience against seemingly insurmountable odds. It's about how modern battles for democracy can extend into the digital realm, where Twitter handles wield as much power as political rallies. And most importantly, it's about the global struggle for human rights, justice, and dignity. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, stay engaged, and most importantly, let's keep the conversation going. What do you think about Job Sikhala's case and the use of ghost Twitter accounts? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care.